Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a compact powerhouse that's designed to make your cooking and reheating tasks a breeze, the Danby DBMW0720BBB Compact Countertop Microwave. We found this product online, and if you're interested, you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Danby DBMW0720BBB is a sleek and efficient countertop microwave. With a capacity of 0.7 cubic feet and a power output of 700 watts, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to save space without sacrificing functionality. Its compact design doesn't just fit neatly on your countertop, but it also offers a surprising range of features that make meal prep and reheating quick and easy. Let's talk about the standout features of this microwave. First up, it boasts 10 power levels, allowing you to customize your cooking experience from defrosting to reheating. This versatility is complemented by 6 convenient one-touch cook options tailored for specific foods: popcorn, potatoes, pizza, beverages, dinner plates, and reheating. No more guessing how long to heat something. With just a press of a button, you can achieve perfectly cooked results. Another significant feature is its auto defrost function. This allows users to defrost food based on time or weight, making it simple to prepare frozen items without the hassle of thawing them out in advance. Whether you need to quickly thaw meat or soften vegetables, this microwave has got you covered. For those who are always in a hurry, the express cooking function is a game changer. You can set cooking times between 1 to 6 minutes with just a single press, and there's even an add 30 seconds button for when you need just a little extra time. This feature is particularly useful when you find yourself racing against the clock. Safety is another priority with the Danby DBMW0720BBB. It comes equipped with a child control lockout option, which is a fantastic feature for families. By simply pressing the stop button for 3 seconds, you can ensure that little ones stay safe from accidentally starting the microwave. So, who is this microwave suitable for? If you're a college student in a dorm, a small family, or perhaps someone living in a compact apartment, this microwave is an ideal fit. Its size and functionality make it a great addition to any space where you need quick meal prep without taking up too much room. In practical use, imagine coming home after a long day and wanting to reheat some leftovers. With the Danby DBMW0720BBB, you can quickly pop in your dinner plate, select the reheating option, and within minutes, you're ready to enjoy a hot meal. Or, if you're hosting movie night with friends, the popcorn button is just a touch away, making snack time effortless. In summary, the Danby DBMW0720BBB Compact Countertop Microwave combines efficiency, safety, and convenience in a stylish package. It's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their cooking experience while maintaining a compact kitchen footprint. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.